Hopefully we'll see some. I like to experiment on YouTube. I do all kinds of stuff. A little bit. Whatever I can do with a camera, phone, and me, and my truck, and my radio. I play music a lot too. But this time I'm not playing music. I almost did when I started, I'm thinking. But nah, copyright free. Oh yeah, drop a link, Jonah. Everybody say hi to Jonah. Jonah in house, everybody. Hey Georgia! Oh, thank you, Georgia. Happy birthday to me. Yay. This is where the lightning is, Georgia. Jonah's over here at the second stream where the skies are. And I'm waiting for some lightning back here. That's a bunch of rain out there. Anyway, I saw some good lightning, so I came up here, and now I can't see it. I haven't been seeing it yet. I was listening to all of Dave's Waffle House show. I was driving, so I couldn't respond that much. Everybody was being really awesome, man. I can't believe it. I was very touched. I can't believe Dave wants to do a birthday party. I can't believe people were asking him. Carlos. I love Carlos, man. And then people like, what's tomorrow? Yeah, it's Louis' birthday. Yeah, okay. And now he wants to do one. So I'll have to set up my laptop and I'll share it. I'll do a share and we'll do it together. I think that's the way to go. I'm gonna wait for him to come up and then I'm gonna surprise him. I don't. Yeah, And no, I can get up on his stream too. I'll see how I can do that. I can probably do both. I like to experiment, so let's try. I think we might try.